Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to set up this device without a Google account. Now, the big disclaimer before this process is that you can only use your device without a Google account as a guest, which will mean that you can use most of its functions. Still, your progress on this laptop will not be saved. So once you log out of your guest account, you'll have your personal files or your local data saved on this device will be deleted. So I really recommend using a Google account with a Chromebook. Now, to begin the process, select the language by clicking the globe icon, then select select the language of the display language for your device. I will choose English, and in the following field select the input method for your device. I'm gonna use a US International PC, which is the most common keyboard for most keyboards with English input method. Now click Get Started. Then you have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to, then enter the password, and then press Enter to connect. Then wait until the device gets ready, and maybe you're gonna have to download and install all the updates for your device. But in my case, I already have my device updated, so I just want to wait, and I just have to wait until the device is ready. Okay, now once the updates are installed, or once your device is ready, just click Next, then select then what you have to do is select Browse as Guest in the bottom left corner of your screen. Read and agree to terms and conditions by clicking Accept and Continue. And if you want, you can send diagnostic and usage data by switching this toggle to the right. If you don't want to do this, you can switch it to the left. Then click Accept and Continue, and this way you will set up a guest account for your laptop. Now you can choose the search engine, the default one that you're going to be using. So just click on it and click Set as Default, and right now you're browsing this computer as a guest, and that's basically it. So in order to unlock the full potential of this laptop, you're gonna have to create a Google account and sign into your Google account on this laptop and set it up in the regular way. And if you want to know how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining this process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.